Charged because Florida state law permits you to shoot someone if you feel they are threatening your life.
Now, one lawmaker is calling for the Department of Justice to investigate Florida's Stand Your Ground law. New York Senator Charles Schumer is calling for the investigation. 9 on Your Side discovered Arizona has a similar law on the books, and we wanted to know, could something like this happen here? Jessica Chapin spoke to an expert to find out.
Songs of mourning ring out 2,000 miles from the place where Trayvon Martin was killed in a state with similar self-defense laws. The story has resonated throughout the country, and attorney Paul Gattone says it's with good reason.
Clearly, it has significant implications for that continuing problem with racial profiling.
A criminal defense and civil rights specialist, Gattone has looked at the case from both sides, but he's not sure if he'd ever have to fight one here. The difference is in one question: could the person threatened have retreated?
Do you think a case like this could happen here?
Well, here's the issue with Arizona's law. In Arizona, generally, the ability to retreat would figure into my ability to use self-defense, because it has to be that there's an imminent threat of this person causing me physical harm or death. So my ability to get away is going to figure into that, except under state law if I'm in a residential structure or an occupied vehicle where I have a right to be.
Florida's law states a person doesn't have to retreat even if they're in public, not just when confronting someone in their own home. But some lawmakers say that shouldn't be the case, and as people across the nation call for protests, they're now calling for a federal investigation.
The federal government can't say to Florida, you have to undo this law. Certainly, if the Justice Department is investigating for civil rights violations and they find out that this no retreat law in Florida has led to similar problems with people of color being killed, then it might lead to a change in that law.
But Gattone says that spotlight and these demonstrations could be even more important than the law in changing how all states react to racial profiling. Jessica Chapin, KGUN-9, on your side.
Demonstrators in Tucson say they will continue to show their support by wearing hoodies and organizing similar rallies in the future.